Good day. I'm about to make a production of liquid soap, 25-liter production. These are the ingredients involved. Hexapon, SLS, that one look like rice, in form of rice. While this is soda ash, this one is nitro soap, that one is the main agent in the production. This is caustic soda, this one is STTP, this is sulfonic acid, while this is booster, this is fragrance, this one is sodium salt. So I will dissolve the ingredients step by step inside 2 liters of water. I will dissolve the nitro soap inside these 15 liters of water. The other one, it will be step by step. I will dissolve some inside the 2 liters of water separate before I will now add everything together and stir. So okay, this is already dissolved nitro soap inside the 15 liters of water. The water must be 15 liters so that it will give you better results. While this is already dissolved caustic soda with soda ash, this is already dissolved hexapon with SLS. While this is already dissolved caustic soda and STTP. So it will be step by step. First, I will add the step 1 inside the production of this, inside the already dissolved nitro soap. You need to keep stirring so that it will be smooth. So I've already added the already dissolved STTP and soda ash inside the nitro soap. So I'll now add the sulfonic and hexapon, the already dissolved sulfonic. You need to know that they already dissolved. I dissolved all of them inside 2 liters of water. So you need to be cautious of the measurement of the water so that the production will not be too watery. So you keep stirring, you stir it very well. Then you add the last step, which is the SLS and caustic soda. As you can see, I've already dissolved it. This is the already dissolved caustic soda with SLS, that one in form of rice. We now add it to the production and keep stirring. Make sure you stir it very well so that the production will give you good results. So this is the foaming agent now. It's also called foam booster. You add it to the production and stir it together. Make sure the thing dissolves together with the already dissolved production. So this one is sodium salt. One is in form of salt. It's part of the foaming ingredient or agent. So will dissolve it very well. If you didn't dissolve very well, it won't smooth. And now add the fragrance, the pep to the production. And this is the color. We dissolve that one inside water before you add it to the production. So it depends on your choice. I chose lemon color, so give it a better color. As you can see, it has already changed the color. Why this formalin, the last ingredient? It will retain the scent of the production. Just add a little. The cover of the bottle is okay, so that it won't be too much. The production will not form well. So you can add more water to your taste, because this is the 25-liter production now. Depends on the thickness, how you want it to be too thick. If it stay longer, if it still thicker than this one, the more it stay, the better the production. And you can start packaging it inside your desired container the following day, so that all the ingredients will dissolve. That's why some people they use warm water in order to enable the ingredients to dissolve easily. As you can see now, it's ready. This is a production of 25 liters of liquid soap. It's okay like this. You can decide to add more water the following day if you see the thickness of the production. Now package this. This is the desired container that I chose to use. You can package it now, there's no problem, but it's better you package it the following day, so that all the ingredients will dissolve very well. Thank you for listening. For more information, I remain my humble self, Lawal Muhammad. You can get the book for a token. Worthy Joy Business Enterprises is registered under CAC, that is Corporate Affairs Commission. More production are involved, be it Vaseline, insecticide, Aiza, aftershave, Otapia, that one is also insecticide, Hypo or Jig, then hand sanitizer, etc, etc. You can DM me on 081 08 09 7075. I recap: 081 08 09 7075. Thank you for listening.